For today, ang pag-aaralan natin ay finding the equation of a quadratic function. So, hahanapin natin yung equation ng quadratic function gamit lamang yung table of values. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Unang-unang gagawin natin is we have to select three ordered pairs from this given table of values. Pili lang tayo ng tatlong ordered pairs na magagamit natin para ma-solve natin yung equation. Para mas madali, siguro piliin na natin yung mga mas mabababang value. Let's say, this one, negative 1 and 0. Piliin natin. Negative 1, 0. And then 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1. Tsaka si 1, negative 4. Kahit ano pwede nyo namang piliin. Na tatlong ordered pairs, pero mas pinili ko na lang yung mas mababang value para mas madali natin siyang isolve. Okay, so meron na tayong napiling tatlong ordered pairs. After nating nakapili ng tatlong ordered pairs, isa-substitute natin yung mga ordered pair na ito sa ating general form ng quadratic function. Kung matatandaan natin, ang general form ng quadratic function ay y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Yan. Ito ang ating general form. Substitute lang natin ang bawat ordered pairs na ito dito para makakuha tayo ng equation. So, unahin natin to. Ang ating unang ordered pair ay negative 1 tsaka 0. So, diba? Ito x to, and then itong pangalawang point ay y. So, substitute lang natin itong ordered pair na ito dito sa ating general form. So, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ang ating y ay 0. Then, ang ating x ay negative 1. So, negative 1 square plus b, and then x again. Negative 1 plus c. Next, a. Negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Plus b times negative 1 is negative b plus c. Then simplify. So, 0 is equal to a times 1 is a na lang. 1a, kaso hindi na natin sinusulat yung 1. Kapag ka 1 lang yung value, so a na lang nun. So, a plus positive times negative is negative, so magiging negative b. A minus b, then rewrite lang, plus c. So, meron na tayong first equation. Ito yung ating equation 1. Ayan. Equation 1. Next, substitute naman natin. Ito naman yung pangalawang ordered pair na pinili natin. So, 0, 1. Sulat ko lang ulit yung y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And then, this is your x, this is your y. Substitute. Your y is negative 1 is equal to a. And then, your x is 0 plus b. And then, x again, 0 plus c. Next, simplify. So, negative 1. So, a times 0 is 0. Wala na to. And then, b times 0 is 0 again. So, equals c na lang. So, ito ang ating negative 1 equals c. This is our second equation. Ayan. Next, ito na, yung last na ordered pair na pinili natin. So, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, this is your x and this is your y. So, y is negative 4 equals a, and then your x is 1 plus b times 1 plus c. And then next, simplify again. So, negative 4 is equal to 1 times a is a plus 1 times b is b, and then plus c. So, this is now our third equation. Ngayon, after nating makuha yung tatlong equation, no? Yung equation 1 natin ay 0 is equal to a minus b plus c. And then, yung equation 2 natin, negative 1 equals c. At ang ating equation 3 ay negative 4 is equal to a plus b plus c. Ang gagawin naman natin ngayon, kailangan nating hanapin yung value ni a, ni b, at ni c. So, in this case, meron na tayong value ni c. Ayan, ang value ni c ay negative 1. So, ang kailangan na lang nating hanapin ay ang value ni a at ni b. So, isa-substitute natin itong value ni c dito sa ating equation 1. So, try natin. 0 is equal to a minus b plus c. Ayan. Then, substitute lang natin yung value ni c, which is negative 1 dito kay c. So, a minus b plus negative 1. Then, simplify natin. 0 is equal to a minus b. Positive times negative is negative. So, minus 1. Then, ilipat natin si b sa kabila para magkaroon ng value si b. So, lipat natin. So, transpose, negative siya dito. Ilipat natin sa kabila. So, magiging positive is equal to a minus 1. So, ito yung ating b. Pero hindi pa yan. Ang gagawin lang natin dito, isi-substitute lang natin tong b dito naman kay equation 3. Para hanggang sa mahanap natin yung value ni a at saka ni b. So, try natin i-substitute. So, si b daw ay a minus 1. Substitute lang natin dito sa given. So, sulat ko lang dito, negative 4 is equal to a plus b plus c. Negative 4 is equal to a, wala pa tayong a. And then, yung b natin is a plus a minus 1. Huwag ko nang ilagay yung parenthesis. So, a minus 1 na tayo. A minus 1. At then, ang ating value ni c ay negative 1. So, minus 1. Ayan. Next, simplify natin. Negative 4 is equal to a plus a, 2a. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Then, yung may variable na a, lipat natin sa kabila. Negative 2a is equal to negative 2. Ito na iwan. Tapos, itong constant, lipat ko dun sa kabila. Magiging positive 4. Then, negative 2a is equal to negative 2 plus 4. Subtract, then copy the sign of the bigger number. So, magiging positive 2. Para mahanap si a, divide both side by negative 2, negative 2. So, makakancel na ito at ang matitira na lang si a. So, ang a ngayon, ang 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. So, meron na tayong value ni a, which is negative 1. Meron na tayong value ni c, di ba? Ang c natin ay negative 1 din. Ngayon, pwede na nating hanapin yung value ni b. substitute lang natin yung mga given. So, b is equal to a minus 1. Next, b is equal to ang ating a ay negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1. So, b is equal to negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Ayan. So, meron na tayong value ni a, value ni b, at value ni c. Next, after nating mahanap ang value ni a, ni b, at ni c, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is substitute natin ang value ni a, value ni b, at ni value ni c sa ating general form ng quadratic function. Susulat ko lang ulit yung ating general form, which is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Ayan, substitute lang natin itong ABC doon sa ating general form. So, y is equal to, what is our a? Negative 1 x squared plus ang ating b ay negative 2 x at ang ating c ay negative 1. Then, simplify natin. So, negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Then, positive times negative 2 is negative 2x. Huwag natin kakalimutan. And then, positive times negative is negative 1. Okay. So, therefore, the equation that represents the table of value is y is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 1. Ito na yung equation na ating hinahanap kanina given ang table of values.